Alright guys, I'm done installing the Moog coil springs, and you can see in the back there the Gabriel shock. Taking the old coil springs out was really easy. Putting the Moog coil springs back in was a bit of a job. The Moog coil springs, are full height, not sagging like your old ones, so you lose a little bit of room when you're trying to put them in because they're like, I don't know, an inch taller than the old sagging ones. Now let me come around the other side. I'll show you what the shock looks like. There's a Gabriel heavy-duty shock. Shocks are really easy to put in. That maybe takes, you probably could do both sides in an hour, maybe an hour and a half. The coil springs took me a little while longer. I'd say probably added an extra hour and a half to the total job, so probably 3 hours doing the coil springs and doing the Gabriel shocks also. I went ahead and replaced the perch, the rubber mounts, the mounts for the coil springs at the top and the bottom, and I also replaced, here, I'll come around to the other side. I also replaced the bump stop. I'll tell you, one of the little tricks is when you're putting the new coil spring in, don't have the bump stop attached. Have it loose down at the bottom of the perch. That makes it a lot easier to align the coil spring up here at the top, in the top perch. But yeah, so I replaced, can't really see it, but down there's a little rubber, thin little rubber mount, thin rubber gasket that goes down the bottom of the perch. I replaced that. I replaced the bump stop, and then I replaced the rubber mount at the top of the coil spring. Alright, well, good luck with your job.